Thunderstorm was located near Blanchester, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Wilmington, Blanchester, Waynesville, Marl, South Lebanon, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Martinsville, Corwin, Midland, Bowersville, Port William, Paintersville, Melvin, Fort Ancient, Lytle, Lumberton, Mount Holly, and Oakland. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 59. You are listening to NOAA Weather. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County in central Ohio, Fairfield County in central Ohio, northeastern Pickaway Southwestern Licking County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, and Harbor Hills. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 135. You are listening to NOAA Weather. All until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, and Harbor Hills. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 100.